Max, Gabi, may narinig ba kayo dyan? Anong pinagkakaabalahan ninyo dyan, dalawang bata kayo? Si Gabi talaga, oo. Ito talagang batang napaka-osyusero. Hindi makarinig-rinig ng kung ano-ano dyan sa kapitbahay.
What do you see, bebe? Huh? What do you see? Somebody's outside? Ah, our neighbor. Our neighbor is talking with somebody there.
How long they will make? We already finished. I don't understand.
Come here, bebe. Come here, Langga. Careful.